Thank you very much for that. Lori, have you ever been to Williams Lake, BC?
I haven't, but I've heard it's beautiful.
It is beautiful, but mountain biking, I'm sure you've hit a few trails in your lifetime.
No, I haven't actually mountain biked, but maybe sometime in the future.
Well, maybe you mountain bike this summer and we'll inspire a few people in Edmonton to donate blood for the first time.
Maybe.
It's a good deal.
Good.
We'll come along for the ride and film you doing it. How about that?
Sounds good.
Well, getting back on topic, this is Lori Boscow from the Canadian Blood Services, and right now we're talking a little bit about plasma donations. We always hear about blood donations, but plasma, sometimes the information isn't as universally known as blood donations. So first off, what is the difference between the two?
They're actually both, you're donating blood when you're either donating whole blood or donating plasma, but plasma is the liquid part of your blood, so it's, what we do is we have a separate program here at Canadian Blood Services where we insert the needle, we take your blood, we spin it in a centrifuge, and we just collect the plasma part of it. So we give you back your red cells, which means our donors can donate more frequently.
Okay, because it's about every 56 days that you can donate blood. How often can you donate
You
plasma?
can actually donate plasma once a week.
One thing it is important to remember, if you're budgeting time to come down for a plasma donation, you do need some extra time there.
You do. It takes about an extra 15 minutes to donate blood, to donate plasma than it does to actually donate whole blood. But 15 minutes.
Not a lot of time at all. And a lot of people do need plasma for a various number of reasons. What are some of those reasons?
They do. For instance, somebody that's undergoing an organ transplant would need usually an awful lot of plasma. Plasma is rich in proteins and infection-fighting properties, so it helps with anybody that's undergoing any kind of blood loss. Plasma is a good product to be giving to those hospital patients to help them with their treatments.
And for all our viewers at home that have never donated blood, and we have to remind you, it's not painful. Sometimes pain is a factor. So does donating plasma hurt a little more than donating blood?
It actually doesn't. We have a fellow that's donated over 1,000 times here in Edmonton. We're very proud of him. And when we asked him what the best thing about donating plasma was, he said it's saving all those lives. And the worst thing is actually the finger poke.
And that's so funny because that for me as well is the worst part. It's like you're waiting for it to happen. When it does, it hurts a little bit more because for a specific reason.
Right. You have more nerve endings in your fingertips than you actually do where they would insert the needles. So it does hurt a little bit more.
Okay. And can anyone donate plasma?
If you are eligible to donate whole blood, chances are really good that you're eligible to donate plasma. We ask a lot of questions. We go through criteria to make sure that you're eligible. We do encourage our O-negative donors to stay in the whole blood program because O-negative is the universal donor for red cells, and actually AB is the universal donor for plasma. But all blood groups are welcome. In fact, right now we're looking for a few more O donors to join the program.
Okay, so if you have an O blood type or AB blood type, please make your first donation here with the Canadian Blood Services, blood.ca. Any other information that we missed on plasma donations that you'd like to tell our viewers at home about?
Well, all of the donations, whether it's whole blood, plasma, platelets, they're all going to help save lives, so we really appreciate that people are giving us some of their time and some of their blood products, and we hope that if you've never tried it, you come down and you make your first attempt, and if you haven't done it for a while, again, over the summertime especially, the need for blood doesn't take a holiday.
No, it doesn't. And every minute of every day someone needs blood, so it just goes to show you how important it is to make that time and make that donation happen. And a big shout out to the gentleman who's donated over 1,000 times for plasma.
Absolutely.
With National Blood Donor Week, we should definitely recognize him, I think.
Good job. His name is Ed Dara, and he's wonderful. He's part of our family.
Aw, well, thank you very much, Ed Dara, and thank you very much, Lori Boscow.
Thank you.
We'll be right back on Shaw TV.